Hi guys, hello, welcome to my channel. My channel is Style My Way Usha. Today I'm making a DIY video. I wanted to recreate this dress which Aliabhatts wore for the Gucci store inauguration in Seoul, I guess. So without further ado, let's see how I made this dress. Now first I took this black plain dress. I got it from Myntra. It's from the brand Mango. It's a stretchable black bodycon. So first I laid the dress flat on the table or any work surface, whichever you are using, you can do that. I took a 1 rupee coin and this white marker which I had. You can also use a chalk or a tailoring chalk for this purpose. Now I'm measuring the center of the dress and using the coin I make circular shapes. You can also use any smaller circular shape if you want to make the shape smaller. I used a 1 rupee coin because I wanted the shapes to be that size. Then I started tracing using scale. So I traced these small circles in an alternate manner. I was measuring the placement of the circles even from the outer edge of the dress, like from right side also I was measuring, and from the left too. Like if it's 2 inches from the right, I will measure 2 inches from the left and again place the coin and trace. That is how I did it, so that it looks equally. If it is not symmetrical, the pattern will look very bad. That's why I wanted everything to be symmetrical. And this white marker is quite good. I bought it from Amazon. It's quite reasonable. If you want to use the same white marker, I'll give you the link in the description box below, so you can go for it. And now as I have finished tracing all the circles, I'm using a scissor to cut the circles. I'm going to cut all the circles now. I want to do it very slowly. So if you're going to do this DIY, I recommend you also cut the circles very slowly and very carefully. Don't get distracted because you can cut the fabric. So if at all you have a writing pad or something, it's better to keep it in between the front and the back layers. And if you want the same pattern to be on the back also as it was on Aliabhatts dress, then you have to repeat the same technique on the back also. So next I'm using these multicolored rhinestones and B7000 glue. I'm going to give the links of both the things in the description box. If you want to make this dress, you can go and check the description box for all the materials. So then I started sticking the rhinestones using the B7000 glue. I just went around the circle and made a little line with the glue and started sticking the rhinestones. It's a very easy job, but you have to go like first you stick 4-5 stones, then again spread the glue, then again stick. It's better that way. I spread the glue like for half of the circle and stuck the rhinestones, but it was getting dried up and the rhinestones were not sticking properly and they were falling off later on. So I recommend that first you put little glue, stick 4 or 5 rhinestones, then go for some 4 or 5 rhinestones. That is a better way, I felt. It is a very boring work, I must admit guys, but the end result is very nice. It's such a beautiful dress. It came out so good. I recommend you all try this DIY if you really like the dress which Aliabhatts wore. It's very easy to make and very pretty to look at. So please go ahead and make it guys.
Transformation in 3, 2, 1.
So this is how the dress looked. It turned out great guys. So I hope you like this video and you will try to make this dress for yourself, for your birthdays or any parties. This is a perfect dress. So if you do really try and make this dress, please mention in the comment box below how easy or difficult it was for you to make this dress and how it turned out. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.